This video is a scaffold structure and safety field guide based on the 1926 Construction Subpart L standards. It covers the essential rules, components, and safety protocols for working with scaffolding. Safety begins with a competent person, appointed by the employer. They must identify hazards, have authority to correct them, and oversee assembly, disassembly, and inspection. They are also responsible for training all employees interacting with the scaffold. Scaffolding falls into three fundamental classes: supported scaffolds, suspended scaffolds, and aerial lifts. Each type has distinct structural characteristics and operational requirements. Many people don't think of aerial lifts as scaffolding, but it technically falls under the definition of a temporary elevated platform. A supported scaffold includes key components such as base plates and jacks forming the foundation, standards, vertical poles, ledgers, transoms, braces, couplers, and boards, which create the working deck. The structural components each have a specific function. For instance, standards transfer the full vertical load, while ledgers and transoms support the working platform and the boards, respectively. The scaffold threat landscape includes several major hazards: falls, falling objects, electrical hazards, collapse hazards, planking hazards, weather conditions, and collisions or struck by incidents. Fall mitigation involves proper guardrail geometry. The top rail height must be between 38 and 45 inches, and the mid-rail centered between the platform and top rail. The working edge limit is a maximum of 14 inches from the wall. Personal fall arrest systems, or PFAS, are another mitigation tool. These include a proper harness, shock-absorbing lanyard, and secure D-ring attachment. A qualified person must formally evaluate the system's selection and engineering. Platform integrity requires scaffold-grade lumber, properly overlapped at structural supports, and a platform width between 20 and 36 inches. Hazards include wide gaps, damaged decking, and planks extending too far. For vertical access, an integrated stair tower system is approved. Never climb cross braces. For mobile scaffolds, verify the ground surface, install outriggers, and ensure workers stand inside the wheelbase. Never move mobile scaffolds with workers or materials unless specifically approved. Falling object protection includes continuous toe boards, mesh screening, and protective angled metal. For overhead electrical threats, maintain the minimum clearance distance or formally de-energize/relocate lines before work. To mitigate hazards, structural and engineering controls are paired with behavioral protocols. For example, a fall hazard is managed with guardrails and personal fall arrest systems. Planking hazards require full decking and daily inspection by a competent person. Employer responsibilities and compliance mandates include designating and training a competent person, ensuring rigorous employee training, mandating formal inspections, and strictly adhering to OSHA standards and manufacturer requirements.